Dad! Dad!
What is it, son?
Will you help me with my math questions?
Well, sure. Didn't your mother do a good job teaching you?
Yeah, but I'm gonna do some extra practice, and I thought maybe you'd want to do it with me.
Oh, I'd be delighted. I'll get my things.
Things? What things?
All right, I just had to brush out my mustache.
Okay, Dad. I think your mustache looks fine. Same as always, actually. Alright, let's read the question. Sam weighs 10 kilograms. His brother weighs 3 times as much as him. What is the mass of his brother?
Well, let's see if we can figure that out. So, we've got Sam, he weighs 10 kilograms, and his brother weighs 3 times as much, so his brother is definitely heavier.
That's right. Let's draw a bar model for his brother. It's going to be bigger than our original. Okay, now, how do we fill this in? His brother gets the bigger box. And Sam gets the smaller box. Now, when we have times as much, we're looking at a multiplication comparison model. So that's why we've got 2 boxes with a difference between them. Let's see if we can fill in some of it. Sam weighs what? 10 kilograms.
And his brother weighs, let's see, 3 times as much, so it's going to be the same as 3 of these boxes. So let's draw the lines in there to make it like we've got thirds of the box. And each segment, Matthew, how big is each segment going to be?
10, Dad, the same as Sam.
That's right, it's like we've got 3 of Sam's weight. 10, 10, and 10. Oh, of course, our number sentence. Well, that's going to be, well, we've got 3 groups of the same amount, 3 groups of 10. So my multiplication sentence, 3 times 10. Phew! Okay. Oh, kids, I bet you know what 3 times 10 is, don't you? Really fast? 1, 2, 3. 30, that's right. That's almost as old as me.
Oh, Dad, you're older than 30, but let's write that in. 30. Okay, so what did we learn?
Well, we learned that if Sam weighs 10 kilograms, then his brother weighs 30.
30 what, Dad? Don't forget the unit.
30 kilograms, of course. Let's write that down. His brother weighs 30 kilograms. The end.
All right, want to do one more?
Sure, son, that was fun. I haven't done bar models in quite a while.
This time you read the question, Dad.
Sure. Felicia has 6 stamps. Vignesh has 5 times as many stamps as Felicia. How many stamps do they have all together? Okay, kids, who's going to get the smaller box? Felicia, that's right. So let's make her our original box. Felicia, and she's got how many? 6. Okay. Vignesh has 5 times as many stamps. So how do I make Vignesh's box? Do I make it really small or really big? Yes, really big. Good. Vignesh. And I'm going to draw it here, and it's going to get really big. Now, how many sections the same size as Felicia do I need to divide Vignesh's box into? Viknesh has how many times as many stamps? 5 times as many. So I'm going to make 5 little Felicia size boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And each one has
6. All right. 6, 6, 6, 6, and 6. Awesome!
That's right, Matthew, you beat me to it. Okay, now I have to figure out my multiplication sentence that's represented by this bar here. Let's see. Well, I've definitely got a lot of the same number. So I've got how many groups of the same number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what are they groups of? Well, they're groups of 6, of course. 5 times 6 equals. Okay, kids, are you ready to count by 5s? Let's count by 5s 6 times. We've got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30! That's right, that's our 6th one. So let's write that in our number sentence as our answer. 30. Okay, so Matthew, do you want to sum up what we learned?
Sure, that was pretty fun. So we learned that Viknesh has 30 stamps. So let's write that into a sentence. Viknesh has 30 stamps. All right, all done.
No, Matthew, that's not quite what I meant. This was actually a step of the problem. Take a look at the last sentence. How many stamps do they have all together? Did we get that information?
Oh, drats! I did the mistake that a lot of people make. I forgot to look at the question and make sure that there were no more steps. We need to know how many they have all together. How do we do that? Well, we know that Viknesh has 30 stamps because I already wrote that in a sentence, silly me. And how many stamps does Felicia have? She's got 6. That was given to us in the question. Felicia has 6 stamps. So if I want to know how many they have all together, that sounds like addition or subtraction? Addition! Awesome! Let's write another number sentence. 30 plus 6 equals. All right, I bet I can solve that. 30 plus 6 equals. 0 plus 6 is 6. 3 plus nothing is 3. Okay, so they have 36 altogether. All right, I'm going to rewrite my statement. They have 30 all together. Did I do it right, Dad?
You sure did, Matthew. Now, kids, don't forget to look at the question and find out what you're solving for at the very, very end. Because who knows, you may have only done 1 step and there might be 2. So always make sure you double check. All right, good job, everyone. This was a load of fun. Matthew, I hope you'll let me help you with your homework at other times, too.
Sure, Dad. This was fun. All right, kids, thanks so much for joining us. And great job learning multiplication with bar models. Don't forget to watch out for 2-step problems and that as many as or as much as means it's a multiplication comparison model. So you need 2 boxes. All right, I hope you learned lots. I sure did. And we'll see you next time. Bye!